Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to download VMware software and how to install it. So first we have to search on Google VMware download. You will see this first link. Click on this. Then click on this. It will redirect to botcom.com. It will ask you login user with your username and password. If you don't have the brought down username password, click here to register. Once you register, let me register myself. So you can see I am logging over here. Then go to your this my download. You can see a free download software available. Click over here. Search over your workstation. You will see VMware Workstation Pro. Click here. After that, see if you want to install for Linux or Windows. Click for Windows over here. You will see the latest version. Click on this. Then click on download. So let me pause my video, stay by the time it gets download. So now you can see it is downloaded in the download folder. So click on it, click run as admin over here. It will take some time to install, to run this setup. Click yes over here. You can see over here the installation wizard. Click next. I accept. Click next. So here we come to the end of this video. So we have successfully completed the installation of VMware on Windows 11. If you have liked this video, please subscribe the channel and click the like button.